How would you like to help solve one of the biggest problems facing your country today? Highways are crumbling and bridges are collapsing. In short, America's infrastructure is falling apart due to lack of funding. But that's changing. The government has committed to spending billions of dollars a year, going far into the future, in order to rebuild our highways and bridges. That means lots of good-paying jobs and the opportunity to build a rewarding career. In the upstate of South Carolina, Ashmore Brothers Paving of Greer, fortified with the strength of our parent company, Rogers Group, is at the forefront of this movement. Rogers Group, an American family-owned business, has been in continuous operation for more than 100 years. Rogers Group operates in 11 states and has more than 1,800 employees. Ashmore has been in business for nearly 90 years. We have to be doing something right. Ashmore is completely self-sufficient. We invest in the equipment and facilities needed to operate a first-class company. We manufacture our paving material and use our own fleet of trucks to haul the asphalt to the job site where our paving crews finish the job. In addition to highway construction, Ashmore Brothers does site development and grading. We need a lot of heavy equipment operators for this work. Highway construction requires many different skills, and that creates opportunities for our employees to find the jobs that fit them best. Ashmore will provide the opportunity and the training to help you realize your goals.
My name's Corey Mock. I started here 6 years ago as a general laborer, and now I'm a paving supervisor. The great part about working here is that with a little hard work, you can actually move up and advance. Maybe one day I'll be a project manager or have an office job. I like being outside, the conditions changing, the environment changing, every day's different. That's what I like about working here. I left school with 3 years of college down, 1 year to go. All my friends were graduating ahead of me and they weren't getting any jobs, so I decided to quit, wasting money that I didn't have and come to work. And here I am working my way up. I had no previous experience in the field and just learning everything one day at a time. If you like being outside, working a little bit, getting your hands dirty a little bit, and you're willing to learn, it's a great place to work.
One of the things that has sustained us for nearly 90 years is our commitment to quality. Quality materials, quality workmanship, and quality employees. Our employees learn the business from the ground up, but the sky's the limit when it comes to growth opportunities. There's a job to suit just about everybody. Do you see yourself operating heavy construction equipment? Or maybe you like to operate one of these giant paving machines. Ashmore Brothers employs many drivers for our large fleet of dump trucks, tankers, and equipment haulers. Some employees run the hot mix asphalt plant and supervise the loading of the trucks that haul the asphalt to the job site. Shop mechanics are needed to maintain and repair our vehicles and equipment. Every batch of paving material has to be tested to make sure it meets quality standards. We operate our own testing lab for that purpose. Our technicians also do testing on the job site. Our foremen and supervisors are people who started out working on paving crews. Anyone with the desire to do so can advance through the ranks. Scott, tell us about your career at Ashmore Brothers.
My name is Scott Dominguez. I started working at Ashmore right out of high school and have been with the company now for 18 years. I started as a general laborer on a base crew and then went to Greenville Technical College to pursue a degree in construction engineering technology. While I was going to school, Ashmore Brothers was very helpful in working with my schedule and allowed me to go to school and work at the same time. I never thought that I would become an estimator that quick, just being right out of school, but the opportunity arose and I've been doing it for about 18 years now. They're a great company to work for. I've seen that whenever I was growing up, as far as taking care of us. You work hard, but they're a good company to work for. Benefits are great, and now I think with the Rogers acquisition, there's even more room to grow and extra benefits. So I think it's a good deal. We have a Labor Day barbecue in September. All the employees, customers, family members get together. We have barbecue. They give away door prizes, and they show recognition to The employees that have been here for 5, 10, 15, 25, 30 years plus.
What are your plans for the future? If you don't have any job skills, the best you can hope for is a minimum wage job with no benefits. And there's still competition even for those jobs. Starting wages at Ashmore are nearly twice the minimum wage. And don't forget the free training and all those benefits. We take seriously our responsibility toward the environment. When we're repaving an existing road, we have machines that scrape up the old asphalt surface and truck it to our plant to be recycled into new paving material. We've also invested in machines that will pulverize old concrete, which we then reuse in other projects. The safety of our employees and the public always comes first.
What I appreciate the most about Ashmore Brothers is safety first. So there's never a supervisor or foreman saying, run, 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 fast, fast, fast. It's always think safety, then think production.
You can be a part of the rebuilding of our nation's infrastructure. At the same time, you can get started on a career with a long-established company and enjoy good pay, great opportunity for advancement, and employee benefits that include health insurance, life insurance, a retirement plan, paid vacation, and paid holidays. Steve, as Human Resources Manager, how do you interact with the members of the Ashmore Brothers team?
I have a great job here at Ashmore. As well as hiring everyone, I get to follow their development, work with them every day, help them with any problems and issues they might have, and help make them a part of our team here at Ashmore.
Be part of rebuilding and maintaining the infrastructure here in the upstate of South Carolina. To become part of the Ashmore Rogers team, go to www.rogersgroupinc.com. Your career begins today.